So back in my in-home grow lab here, I have another layer of experimentation with starting seeds. So this time we compared the Coast of Maine seed starting mix with my own mix again. So that's the perlite, vermiculite, pit moss, and then my compost that I generate at the farm. So I have a couple different types of seeds. I did a little bit smaller sampling this time. So they're Thai basil, large leaf basil. Both those seeds came from last year, so I wasn't sure if they would germinate. And I had some older baby Pam pumpkin seeds and honeywort seeds that I saved from my garden last year. So I'll show you, these were planted on, I think 3 days ago. So the 1st, today is the 4th, and I'll show you what I'm working with so far. Okay, there you can see my notes. We have the large leaf basil, seed 2022, Thai basil, seeds 2022. I have no idea how many I planted. They're so tiny, I just kind of scattered them. But if we duck under here, there you can see Thai basil has started. I believe that popped up yesterday. Then we come over here, we have some of the large leaf basil. There you can see a couple little green guys there. Still pretty quiet in the back there. So I don't know about that. Then we'll come over to the Coast of Maine. You have the same deal here. Large leaf basil, Thai basil, honeywort. Oh, there's some borage back there too. Here, looks like we have a large leaf basil. That guy started. Maybe I put too much on top of the Thai basil. I don't know, but that hasn't. So there's the large leaf. Yeah, maybe I put too much on top of those plugs. I don't know. And also in the back there, pretty quiet. So the variable this time around was Coast of Maine seed starting mix, and the control was my seed starting mix, which was perlite, vermiculite, pit moss, and the compost that I generate at the farm with the food scraps and larva residue that come in. So I will say that Coast of Maine is winning. Winning one. The basil that I seeded, that sprouted first in my mix. However, it's just doing better in the Coast of Maine. It a little slower to germinate, but it's been doing really, really nice. All of this stuff could be potted out. Unfortunately, we have 30 degrees coming up in a couple nights. So I'm kind of hesitant to do too much yet with the plants because I put too much work and I don't want to lose everything. So, yeah, I'm not disappointed with the growth in my mix. I think they're really healthy. They look green. They're just a little bit smaller. So I think for the next experiment, I will incorporate frass, and that one might get a little hairy because I think there's a certain sweet spot that you have to hit, and I might try a couple degrees of how much I add. So at that point, the Coast of Maine will be the control, and then my mix with the varying additions of frass will be, we'll see what happens. I don't know. We'll see. So that'll be next on my project list. because I don't have enough. Okay, so here is my mix. Here's the Coast of Maine mix, and I'm not mad. I will gladly declare Coast of Maine a winner. I'm not going to be bitter or sad because I don't think that these came out poorly either. I think the germination rates were pretty similar. I did 15 pumpkins, 2 sprouted over here, 2 sprouted over here. The borage though, it does look bigger, and the honeywort, that's what these little bluey leaves are here in the front. They germinated. I did the seed soaking for those, and as you can see, it's just like a void where they are. But they're in the back. You can see the basil, Thai basil, and over here in the back, the basil, Thai basil. And how could I forget me to sign off? Keep it circular.